Francis and Divina, as one family of our Lord. But let me remind you, my dear sisters and brothers, that what we have just celebrated is not wedding. Hindi pa ho ito ang kasal.
Hi, mahal. Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Salamat sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga. Kulang-kulang 2 years nating pinaghandaan to, pero parang kulang pa din yung preparation time. Pero okay lang yun. There's always a first time for everything. And this time, yung marriage natin.
Somewhere high up in the air there, I long for God.
Ang kasal ay bukas ng umaga pagising nyo. Maaamoy nyo ang hininga ng bawat isa. Pero hahalikan mo yan sapagkat mahal mo yan. Yan ang kasal.
Hi, my love. I take you to be my best friend, my faithful partner, and my one true love. I promise to encourage you and inspire you and to love you truly, through good times and bad.
Rain became relentless, leaving barren skies.
Sabi nga ng iba, I believe that if two people cared enough for each other, the rest of the world disappears to them. I feel that when I'm with you.
Me torn wide open, barely still alive. Found your letter, sealed away in storage under my pretenses, buried out of view. I recall hidden in a notebook, tearing awful pages, old but good as new. I was listless, how could I have missed this? If you are the groundswell, I'm tossed in your tide. I was if I'd seen it coming, I'd start.
This is Alcanta.
I got the starting line.
I am prepared to put you ahead of me for the rest of my life. At yan ang pangako ko sa'yo na habang buhay kong pupunan.
My apologies and my gratitude. Now there's a sinking feeling in my chest. You're gonna love me less when I
Divina,
return to you.
do you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Francis, do you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
I've been tethered, floating like a feather, anxious.
Aabot kayo ng 10, 15, 20, 25 years, and more than that. Tatagal kayo ng ganong katagal sapagkat mahal nyo ang bawat isa. Yan ang kasal.
forever be there to laugh with you, lift you up when you are down, and to love you unconditionally. Through all of our adventures in life together, I love you, Divina.
Sapagkat ang kasal ay pinagbubuklod sa pagmamahal at sa pananampalataya na iginawad sa inyo ng Panginoon. At yan ang sinumpaan nyo ngayon.